I know. Wouldn't be stupid.
Some might say he chose the spot because he knew we were gonna have to restart. No, but we dug this hole in the bedrock. It is jolting up in every direction, and me probably having the novice experience too made it slightly unsafe. But we got a 6-foot wide hole down here. By what the heck is it? Just for perspective, 8 feet diagonal and a flipping 3 feet high. So we're gonna move next to it and try to get around where this bedrock jolts up and hope for a couple hundred nuggets sitting behind it. All right. Okay, after the intro, we decided that we had a lot of material here that we could safely remove, and since we took all the work to dig the hole, we might as well get whatever gold we could capture and make sure that there's no jolting bedrock down that way, that we can maybe somehow safely go that way. But it looks like we're not going to do that, but we did get a target. So we have a target, and we're working on that, and then we'll start digging the other hole. Okay, so I'm gonna keep working. We're going to take a moment to talk about valley fever and how serious that is. I highly encourage anyone that's doing this type of work, make sure you're using a respirator system. I'm currently going under, or I have valley fever currently from digging this tunnel, and it has been one of the most horrific experiences as an adult. So for anyone that's considering digging a hole like this, please do yourself a favor and wear a mask. Every little bit extra counts. Since we already took, multiple days to dig this hole, if we can safely remove material, we're going to, just to make sure there's no more gold that we can remove. So how much gold do you think we get throughout this episode? Cleaning out the end of this hole and hopefully getting started on the next one. Just double checking before we get ready to fill in this hole or clean it out real good on the floor, and then fill it in and start the hole next to it. That thing's buried because that was fucking
Was
awesome.
that where you were throwing the dirt at?
I was scooping buckets here.
Oh, fuck.
Now what the hell is this gonna be? Oh, something copper. Someone's button.
Oh,
My button. It looks good.
for a second.
Damn, that got me excited.
Shit.
Well, one of my pair of pants. All right.
All these little fleechy nuggets. Even though it looks like a rock and they're halfway good size,
Right there. That's a... Well, so that came off what I just gave you, right?
Yeah.
The next one should be really good then, hopefully.
Just flip-flops on the pack, wetsuit roll tight with the shovel on my back. Laughing with the crew, we ain't here for a show. We're chasing tiny specks like they bricks of gold. Hot summer days in the California River. Cold green water got my heartbeat shiver. Dive down deep where the black sand rolls. I'm breathing slow, just mining for my soul. Yeah, mining for that. Yeah, mining for that riverbed gold. Yeah. Gloves on hands, zip that soap. Drop in the current, feel it grab your boats. Mask hits water, world goes quiet. Rocks on the bottom, start a little riot. Fan that sand till the swirl turns gray. Slip one flake to the bow tucked away. Back on the bank with a sun-cracked grin. We don't say much, we just pass that panic. Hot summer days in the California River. Cold green water got my heartbeat shiver. Dive down deep where the black sand rolls. I'm breathing slow, just mining for my soul. Yeah, mining for that river. Yeah, mining for that riverbed gold. Yeah, we ain't rich, just rich in store.
That's crazy. But it is smart how you did that. That's... Wow. That was so quick.
Yes. Plus we moved a lot of dirt.
It doesn't feel like we moved them. It doesn't look like it volume-wise.
Tan lines, bug bites, mosquito glory. If we leave with nothing but a light and low, still feel blessed by this busted road. Hot summer days in the California River. Cold green water got my heartbeat shiver. Dive down deep where the black sand rolls. I'm breathing slow, just mining for my soul. Yeah, mining for that river. Yeah, mining for that riverbed gold. Mining for it. Mining for it. Riverbed gold.
10,000% a nugget. Yeah, that's bedrock and a nugget. Yes! That's a good sign. Move.
Put your hands on the washable.
There's probably more than one, but we're on bedrock, so we should probably be more cautious.
Yeah. Dinosaur bones.
Huh?
Excavating dinosaur bones.
And the interesting part is that bitch is going straight up. So this will be interesting. But it looks like we're landed in a pocket. So I would check all this material I'm pulling out. There could be gold in that for sure. Close enough to bedrock at least. Can I have a little hoe? Or a big hoe, I mean?
You
Right
want
there.
the big hoe?
Well, maybe.
Yellow one?
I don't know. No, I meant the little hoe. So we got the other hole pretty well cleaned out, swept up. Didn't find too much there, I don't think. And now we're digging a hole behind it, hoping that this is a spot that the bedrock isn't jolting up. And as you can see here, I'm starting to hammer and drill my way in. I'm trying to keep a good form so we can sit Indian style in there. And that'll be the beginning of this drift tunnel. How many days do you think we dig on this one? Put it in the comments below.
We're in trouble.
Huh.
Yeah. We're losing a lot of our stability here.
That's okay, that's why we want an extra foot.
We know that. Yeah, we're good over there.
And there was pretty much nuggets every time we scooped a bucket of that out.
Yeah, so far.
But yeah, maybe not. But there's nuggets on the target. There's still, I never got that one. It's just, I started working further because I wasn't going to start chinking one little section of bedrock out.
I'm going to check a little bit of this foot. I get too far away with this.
So before the end of this episode, we actually do manage to clear off bedrock right there in the new hole that we started. And maybe got about 6 inches or so in, or a foot. And yeah, so I did go back on my phone and check the gold total for the day. We did end up getting 5 pieces. I don't remember or didn't really see in the footage where we got the 5 pieces, but we got 5 pieces this day. And we'll put a picture, show you on the scale here what it looks like. So if you appreciate that episode, hit the like button, share it with a friend, consider joining our membership, and we'll see you next week. Thanks so much for being here, and thanks for being you. Maybe we throw it off a cliff. There's from today's haul. We got 5 little pieces. So, Cricket, I'll be right there. 0.314 pi.